Let's generate a course with AI for free. Amazing! Let's start our tutorial. Link will be in the description, as always, no worries. First, sign up with your Google account. Course, a guided course, you can import your files or start from blank. Let's choose quick. Now describe your course. I will do a guide for canva.com in Portuguese. Choose the language, generate. That's it, all you have to do now is wait. Not for long. Et voila! Now you have an option to edit the images, the text, whatever your wish may be. You can share it or you can download it. In the free plan you have 3 to do. AI created all of this for you. Fabulous, right? So you have the modules, you have a conclusion, and you also have a quiz at the end. Did you like it? Let's check another course I did. That's it. If you liked the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your project. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye for now.